Hello everyone, I am Mushtaq Hussain. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to add an external blog on Moodle. First of all, go to rss.app, then click on to Get Started Now. Then if you are a first time user on rss.app, then you can click on to Sign In. Then you are free to select any one of the options, that is sign in with Google or sign in with Twitter. So here I am going to sign in with Google. So here I select one of my Google accounts. Now I have already signed in. Now we need to click on to new RSS feed. Now since I am going to add a blog on Business English, so I'll click on to web page to RSS feed. Then you can enter the URL of your blog of interest. Here I enter the URL of Business English blog. Then click on to generate. Now it will take few seconds to generate. Now our RSS feed is ready. Now once it is ready, you can click on to copy. So here you can see it is copied. Now let's go back to our Moodle course. So here we are. Now you can click on to your profile, then click on to preferences, then click on to user. Once you click on to user, then you can see on your left blogs, blog preferences, external blogs, and register an external blog. So maybe you can click on to external blogs, or you can directly register an external blog. So here I am going to click on to register an external blog. Now the URL feed which I copied, I can paste it over here. Now I can name it Business English, then description, a blog on Business English. So this is how we can register an external blog. Once you add these details, then you can click on to save changes. So once you click on to save changes, you can see, so our RSS feed URL is added to external blog. So this is how we can keep on registering an external blog of your interest so that we can learn together. So thank you for watching this video.